We cannot find any art form without fine arts. Hi dear artists, dear art students, dear art lovers. Welcome to this video. I am sculptor Guru Prasad Ayyappan. Today I discuss here the number of art form in the world. How many art form there are in the world? Yes, how many art form? This is a question that creates a lot of confusion among the artists, art students and art lovers. Some people say that there are thousands of art forms in the world. Some say there are hundreds of art forms in the world. Some say there are 64 art forms in the world. Some people say that there are 7 art forms in the world. And some others say that there are 5 art forms in the world. What is the real and correct answer? The answer is very simple. There are only 5 basic art forms in the world. This answer was derived after a very keen study and analysis of all art forms in the world. The basic art forms are only 5. There are painting, sculpture, music, dance and literature. These art forms together have a common name. The common name is fine arts. F-I-N-E-A-R-T-S, fine arts. 4 art forms in fine arts are imitation and developments of universal phenomena. These are painting, sculpture, music and dance. These art forms are highly bonded with the universal form, colors, sound and movement. First is painting. Painting is connected with the visuals. Visuals in the universe is the first painting. We can see the lines and colors in the universal visuals. Sunrise and the sunset are the undefinable visuals in the universe. Second is sculpture. Sculpture is connected with the forms. The first form in the universe are the star, planets and satellites. Third is music. Music is connected with the sound. The first sound in the universe is the Big Bang of our solar system. Sound is the heartbeats of universe. Fourth is dance. Dance is connected with the movements. The first movements are the movements of planets and satellites after the Big Bang of solar system. The fifth art form in fine arts is literature. Literature is created by man. It is connected with all subjects under the sun and the universe. These 5 art forms are very clear and simple. They can stand independently without any other art help. But for good performance, these 5 art forms are using each other as catalyst. Dance form is using music, painting and literature for good performance. Literature form is using painting for good performance. Sculpture and painting form are using literature for good performance. And music form is using literature for good performance. Some masters say that the basic art form are 7. They attached cinema and architecture with the fine arts. This is very wrong because cinema is an art form of group of art. It cannot stand independently. Architecture is the developed and functional art form of sculpture. I again ask a question: how many art forms there are in the world? No doubt, the answer is crystal clear. The basic art forms are only 5. The basic art forms are only 5. Any art form in the world are the developments of fine arts. We cannot find any art form without fine arts. Thank you.
For more videos, press the bell button, subscribe the channel.